Textonilix opens on the VastraERP website, positioned as an AI-powered ERP built specifically for the textile industry. The Hero section highlights inventory, production planning, orders, quality, and finance in one connected platform, with a clear option to book a demo right away. The experience begins with a clean sign-in screen for a precision lamination workspace. Users enter their corporate email and password, then choose a role such as admin, production manager, quality manager, store manager, or sales manager, so the system can tailor access to their responsibilities. After login, the dashboard gives a fast operational snapshot across the plant. Keycards summarize today's production, active orders, quality pass rate, machine efficiency, order book value, inventory value, ready to dispatch items, and open faults, helping managers spot priorities immediately. The customer order screen organizes the commercial pipeline in one place. Users can review total orders, active orders, in-production quantities, and order value, then search, filter, export, or create a new order without leaving the workflow. Order tracking turns each customer order into a visible production journey. Every order shows its current stage, from material allocation through inspection, packing, and last testing, so teams can quickly understand progress and identify delays. Purchase orders brings procurement activity into a structured view. The screen summarizes total POs, open POs, pending value, and active suppliers, while giving buyers tools to create new purchase orders, record receipts, and review line-level material details. Goods receipt notes capture what actually arrives at the facility. Accepted quantity, rejected quantity, and pending quality checks are tracked against supplier materials, creating a clear handoff between purchasing, stores, and quality control. Raw material stock gives the store team a live view of inputs such as films, chemicals, and fabrics. Stock value, low stock alerts, and quarantine quantities make it easier to prevent shortages and keep production supplied. Finished goods stock focuses on completed inventory that is ready, quarantined, or awaiting movement. Teams can search by batch or location, check SKU-level quantities and value, and confirm what is available for dispatch. The stock movement ledger shows inventory activity across receipts, issues, transfers, and net movement for the day. This historical view helps stores and finance reconcile material flow and trace where stock has moved across the plant. Production planning translates demand into executable work orders. Planners can review work orders by status, see what is in progress, scheduled, or on hold, and move quickly into scheduling, allocation, or work order release. Production scheduling lays those work orders onto machine lines across shifts. The timeline view makes capacity conflicts and open slots easy to see, while auto-scheduling helps planners build a practical production calendar faster. Machine allocation focuses on assigning jobs to the right lamination lines and equipment. Utilization, idle or down machines, and hourly capacity are shown together, giving the team confidence that orders are matched to available production resources. Production execution is the command center for shop floor activity. It summarizes running work orders, stage runs, and machines running, then breaks the process into weaving, knitting, processing, coating, lamination, slitting, and monitoring steps. The weaving screen manages yarn conversion into greige fabric. Operators and supervisors can see the recipe flow, active runs, queued work, output, wastage, and individual run cards with machine and completion status. Knitting provides the same operational clarity for turning filament yarn into knitted fabric. Active runs, queued jobs, total output, and average wastage give production leaders a quick read on performance across knitting machines. Processing tracks fabric treatment steps such as dyeing and chemical processing. The recipe path shows inputs and output, while run cards reveal whether each batch is queued, running, or completed. Coating manages the application of functional polymer coats to fabric or film. By tracking active runs, queued work, output, and wastage, the team can monitor coating performance and maintain process consistency. Stage 1 lamination shows semi-finished lamination, where inputs like warp knit fabric, TPU film, and adhesive are combined into an intermediate material. The screen highlights active and queued runs, so supervisors can keep this critical conversion step moving. Stage 2 lamination follows the final lamination stage from semi-finished material to finished laminated product. Output, wastage, running status, and pause jobs are visible at a glance, making it easier to protect delivery timelines. Slitting and rewinding manages the final conversion from finished master rolls into customer-specific roll sizes. The screen tracks active runs, queued jobs, output, and wastage, so dispatch-ready material can be prepared accurately. Machine monitoring gives live visibility into equipment health and productivity. Each machine card shows running or breakdown status, OEE, utilization, current work order, and maintenance indicators, helping teams react before small issues become major delays. Packing orders organizes finished goods as they move from production into packing. Users can see total packing orders, pending, in progress, and packed counts, then search, filter, export, or create new packing orders. Dispatch orders coordinate the final handover to customers and logistics partners. Scheduled, loading, in transit, and delivered dispatches are summarized clearly with details for quantity, vehicle, driver, transporter, and destination. Delivery tracking extends visibility beyond the factory gate. Each dispatch shows milestones like scheduled, loading, and in transit, along with on-time rate and average transit days, so customer service teams can communicate accurate delivery status. Roll inspection supports quality checks for laminated rolls before they move forward. Inspectors can record results, review pass rates, identify failed rolls, and manage faults so only compliant material reaches customers. Fault Code Master standardizes the language of quality issues. Teams can maintain fault types, categories, process stages, severity, descriptions, and corrective actions, which makes inspection data consistent and easier to analyze. Quality reports and approvals bring inspection outcomes into a decision workflow. Batches awaiting approval can be reviewed, approved, or rejected, while pass rates, reject rates, and result distribution help leaders track quality performance. Laboratory testing captures technical validation against product specifications. Standard parameters such as thickness, weight, tensile strength, elongation, adhesion strength, Flammability and light fastness are tracked alongside total tests, pass, fail, and pending counts. Master data centralizes the foundational records that keep the ERP consistent. Article, material, customer, supplier, machine, fault code, and lab test masters are all available from one hub for easy maintenance. Article Master maintains the finished and semi-finished product catalogue. Users can track total and active articles, average standard rate, categories, construction, GSM, width, and other product attributes used across orders and production. Material Master stores raw materials, films, adhesives, fabrics, and packaging information. It highlights hazardous materials, average lead time, material types, supplier details, unit costs, and reorder levels, so procurement and stores work from the same data. Customer Master keeps account and commercial information organized. Total customers, inactive records, credit exposure, outstanding balances, ratings, and active orders are visible, helping sales and finance manage relationships responsibly. Supplier Master tracks vendor performance and sourcing information. Ratings, on-time percentage, country, contact details, and category help procurement compare suppliers and make better purchasing decisions. Machine Master defines the plant's equipment assets. It shows total machines, running machines, average OEE, total capacity, utilization, and location, creating a reliable base for scheduling, allocation, and maintenance. The master-level fault code screen lets administrators govern quality fault definitions centrally. By importing or adding fault codes here, the organization ensures inspections, reports, and corrective actions all use the same controlled terminology. Laboratory Test Master defines the test standards and tolerance ranges used by the lab. Parameters, methods, units, specification ranges, result counts, and pass rates help quality teams maintain repeatable testing across products. Reports and Analytics consolidates the data into management-ready insights. Leaders can review weekly output, quality pass rate, inventory value, order book value, machine OEE, running lines, work orders, and generate focused production reports. The final screen invites prospects to get in touch with VastraERP through a simple contact form and clear company details. If you are ready to connect textile operations from order to dispatch, book your Textonilix demo today.